In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dictate emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you prefer talking to typing or just want to move faster, Outlook's built-in dictation makes composing messages quick and hands-free. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website so you can open your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, start a new message by selecting New Mail. A compose window will open. Click once inside the main message box so your cursor is active in the body of the email. This tells Outlook exactly where to place your dictated text. Now look along the top toolbar of the Compose window and find the microphone icon. Click that microphone to turn on dictation. You'll see an on-screen indicator letting you know it's listening. Begin speaking clearly at a steady pace. Dictation works best when you use complete sentences and pause briefly between thoughts. You can say punctuation out loud, like comma, period, question mark, or new line, to keep your message properly formatted. If you need to spell a tricky name or an acronym, slow down and say each letter. While you talk, keep an eye on the text that appears in the message box so you can catch any misheard words. If something doesn't come out the way you intended, don't worry. Finish your sentence, then stop speaking for a moment and make quick edits with your keyboard. You can continue dictating right after. For a cleaner result, try to minimize background noise and speak a little louder than the room. A simple headset or your computer's built-in mic both work fine as long as you're close enough. When you're done speaking, close dictation by clicking the X icon on the dictation control. That stops listening and returns you to normal typing. Give your email a quick proofread and make any final touch-ups so it sounds the way you want. That's all it takes to dictate emails in Outlook. Search for Outlook, open the site, start a message, click in the body, turn on the microphone, speak your content, and close dictation when you're finished. With a little practice, you'll find this is a fast, accurate way to write professional emails without wearing out your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and happy dictating.